Administrative lang, walang criminal?
Um,
Hindi pwede, hindi ako papayag. Ba't administrative lang?
we understand, Mr. Chair, and ang sabi ko nga po kanina, the report is, the investigation report po is still partial, subject po dun sa retrieval pa po ng vessel, so we can
I understand, ASEC. I understand. I know what you're saying. I
Yes, sir.
can follow you.
Apo.
Pero my point is, binanggit mo na mismo kanina na marami silang lapses, marami silang pagkukulang. Kaya nga magpapile kayo ng kaso left and right kung kani-kanino. Pero bakit walang criminal case against dito sa may-ari ng barko? Bakit administrative lang? It's just a slap on the wrist? Heck no. Hindi pwede.
Yes, sir.
Baka meron
Yes.
tayong pinagtatakpan dito.
Wala po, Mr. Chair.
Okay.
Ang-
File a criminal case against Allison. The owners, especially. Kasi
Yes.
yung mga may-ari may kapabayaan dito.
Yes,
Alam
Mr.
nila na bulok yung barko nila and yet pinalarga pa rin nila. Pinapalaot pa rin nila. Alam nila na dapat mag-retire na yung barko nila dahil 31 years old na. And yet pinalaot pa rin nila. 30 lang. Alam mo naman yan, di ba? Dapat 30 lang. After 30 years, yung barko, yung steel hull, dapat pinag-retire. Which they did not. Criminal case dapat.
Opo, Your Honor.
Go.
And we will follow the evidences, sir, and
Yes,
We will file, yes.
follow the pieces of evidence. But after the investigation, it is very clear na meron talagang criminal liability itong Allison. And mind you, since 2019, tagtad ng disgrasya itong mga barko ng Allison Shipping. 42 incidents, maritime incidents na involve itong Allison. 42. Ilan? Oh, 32, excuse me, 32 since 2019. So talagang very clear na pabaya ito sila. Time and time again, pinapayagan nilang mag-sail yung kanilang mga barko knowing na hindi dapat sapagkat they're not seaworthy. At tuloy-tuloy ang kanilang kapabayaan kaya tuloy-tuloy yung disgrasya. Therefore, may criminal liability. Ayoko ng admin lang. Go ahead, sir.